When searching for a dependable roof installation contractor near you in Exton, PA, turn to All Pro Roofing Materials for professional service, quality materials, and careful workmanship. Proper installation helps prevent leaks, premature deterioration, poor airflow, and other problems that may shorten the lifespan of your roof. Call our roof installation contractor if you have any questions. Are you looking for a roof installation contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Roofing Materials. Can you help me choose the right roofing system? Yes. Our team considers your property type, roof design, budget, appearance preferences, maintenance expectations, and long-term goals before recommending suitable roofing options. What warranties are available for a new roof? New roofs may include a manufacturer's warranty covering roofing materials and a contractor's workmanship warranty covering installation-related issues. Warranty terms vary, so homeowners should review the coverage, duration, and maintenance requirements before installation. What is your service area for Exton, Pennsylvania? Our roof installation contractor has helped clients in Exton, Eagle View, Chester Springs, Eagle, Lionville, Malvern Hunt, Fraser, West Goshen, Ludwig's Corner, Glenmore, Lindell, Downingtown, Coatesville, Thorndale, Modena, Marshallton, Cannes, Chester County, Pennsylvania. Where is your roof installation contractor in Exton, Pennsylvania located? We are located at 256 Watch Hill Road, Exton, Pennsylvania 19341. Our phone number is 484-309-9029. Visit our website, www.approofer.com/exton-pa.